Meaning of House of Lords.
House of Lords.
House of Lords.
House of Lords.
House of Lords. The House of Lords is one of the two chambers of the UK Parliament, alongside the House of Commons. It is an upper house with the power to scrutinise and amend legislation proposed by the government. Members of the House of Lords are appointed, not elected, and can include hereditary peers, life peers, and bishops of the Church of England. Historically, the House of Lords held greater power than the House of Commons, but today its role is largely limited to providing a check on the government's actions and decisions.